How to restart level in Colored Block Jam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely restart the game. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside a game. So this is the level it's hard for me to complete. Now, how can you restart it or start a new game? Here on the right top, you can see this refresh like icon. Simply tap on it. Now, in order to restart it, you must lose a life. So make sure you want to lose a life, or else you can continue playing. So again, tap on retry and you'll be able to retry and restart the game from the first. So you can do this in order to restart the game and play the game in the way that it is presented. Sometimes it gets confused too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.